Welcome back to the channel, guys. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, please do me a favor by clicking on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comment if there's anything you want. Make sure you subscribe. And now, to those of you that will be interested in subscribing to my Telegram channel, I will put a link in the comment section. So check the link in the comment section, sign up, register, become one of my subscribers on Telegram. There, I will be sharing out some useful information, by the way. So let's see what GBPUSD will be giving us for the next day, which is for the 4th. With what I am seeing right now, this is still an uptrend move. You can see it higher highs and then higher lows, higher highs and then higher lows. Right now, with what I am seeing, I'm seeing that this price is becoming weaker because we're actually getting to actually a key level right now. Currently, we are trading at 124. You can see that this is kind of price has once came to this level and we had a drop. Same thing happened to this same level. We had a drop, and now GBP is at this level. So basically, trading GBP USD right now, well, I think we should be very, very careful on this. Rather trade other USD pairs than trade GBP USD, because right now GBP USD can give us a drop at any time. In short, GBP is ready to fall. There's no doubt. When you take a look at your some of your GBP pairs, you see that GBP wants to fall. So it just depends whether we would get the fall this week or next 2 week. So we should be very, very careful. But with what I am seeing with my analysis, I'm expecting the DXY to fall. If that will be the case, then GBP will actually give us a bullish move. And if that bullish move will actually eventually play out, I don't expect much of a bullish move, probably 50 to 70 pips bullish move. So I personally will be careful. I mean, you can take a look at this resistance level, right? If in case GBP breaks above it, it is fine, no problem. If in case GBP eventually drop on this level, do not be surprised, because the fall wants to happen. It is actually showing us. It just depends on when that fall will come in. But with what I am saying, since I am expecting the XY to fall, then I'm still speculating a bullish move on GBP USD for the next day.